Hi everyone, this is an unboxing. I won this and I'm gonna unbox it for you because I looked on the web. There wasn't much on YouTube about it except little videos, so here's a longer one. Oh nice. It comes like this in a little bag. Lead sling bag. Awesome. Let's open this. Oh nice. Really nice. Let's open this. Oop. Nice hard shell. Enough space in this like little bags does. There's 3 pockets inside, a bigger one with a zipper to secure stuff. It's really nice. Oh, there's another pocket in the back with a zipper again, and everything seemed to be waterproof. Like the strap is nice and solid. Awesome. Now let's see what that thing does. Obviously you need an external battery. This is the battery I'm gonna use. Let's put this in there and like this. Nice. How should I do the opposite? Like this, and put it in. Yeah, that's much better. And there we go. That's pretty awesome. Let's see now. What you gotta do is to go to your phone and download the app. The app is called Loy Eyes. All right. Now I'm opening the app. First time I'm opening it, so it might take a little time. App is opening. Now let's see next step. And installing it. There's a bunch of stuff over here. Let me see. You got the material. What the material is? It's the type of eyes, I guess. Now they're explaining everything. So let's try this. Ooh. Oh yeah, that's right. I gotta plug the Bluetooth first. Okay, let me connect this. Take just one little moment. At the same time, you can see the demo running. So now let's see, what is it called? Since I'm burning time, I will be right back. All right, so now once you download the app, there's few things you're gonna have to do in order to get it to work, because as you can see, I had to stop the video just so I explain it well. All right, the first thing you're gonna do is you're probably gonna have to go to device. On clicking device, it's gonna bring you to the device you have. So you have to give it permission to be used. You connect the Bluetooth, and after that, just follow what's on the screen, and everything's gonna work. So now this is what we got here. So let's see what else we can do with that little thing. You see, I like this one. Just by clicking on it, you can change what's on the screen of this. And there's quite a few, and I think there's some that you can purchase also. So there's pretty awesome little design like this one. I like that. It's pretty cool. Honestly, I like it. They got those little design there, really nice. There's eyes, stars. I don't know what that is. I like this one. Well, anyway, guys, this is how it is. This is how it works and how it actually looks. So have fun, and I suggest to get this. It's really cool. All right, so see you soon.
Cool, I brainwashed, thinking that I